Today we're making puree spinach. And we have a cup of already cooked, pressed spinach, boiling a cup of vegetable broth, and we are melting 2 tablespoons of butter. Broth hot, okay? We're gonna add the spinach to the blender. Nicely packed, huh? We're gonna add half, actually, so you guys can see it. Little 3/4 of a cup, okay? So we're gonna add half of that. It's telling me that wants everything, so there you go. We're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of butter. Melted, not separated. Now we're gonna add a little bit of flavor, just salt and pepper, depending on your taste. I normally do it in my hand, so this will be like a teaspoon. There you go, teaspoon. Black pepper. That's it. Put that on. I need a few more ounces of vegetable broth, so I'm gonna add it room temperature. So let's see how many it takes. So right now it took 2 ounces. Beautifully puree, but it's not thick enough. It's 1 tablespoon of Thick-It. Oh, perfection. Look at that. Isn't that perfection?
Yeah.
Nothing is dripping. Okay, perfect. And then nice and smooth. And last but not least, perfection. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, show me.
Yeah.
One more time.
I'm down, dude. Got me feeling like Popeye. I like it. I like it a lot. The warm vegetable broth kind of makes it that, I don't know, gives it kind of that flavor.
If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.